Now, as you can see, the area at the front here has been freshly laid within the last 6-8 weeks. The area behind is 15 years old. So it may not look it, but actually the blocks are the same type of paver. So what we're looking to achieve here is obviously to get one to match the other as close as possible. But also I'd like to point out, as you can see, during a 15-year period, there's been a lot of surface degradation of the actual paver itself. Now, this would have been caused by obviously use, but also regular pressure washing. Remember, every time the drive is kind of pressure washed, it's the equivalent of 5 years, 10 years exposure to the elements and wear and tear. So what we're looking to achieve here is to get the drive and the block paving as clean as possible once, and then properly protected with a sealer so that no further degradation to the colour and the actual surface of the block occurs. So as you can see from this area, this is where the vehicles normally sit, and the surface of the blocks is generally in far better condition as opposed to the ones which are regularly trafficked. And also this surface aggregate, very prevalent where the vehicles have been running, is not so apparent here. So again, the purpose of the project here is to stop further deterioration of the surface. Now, the application of the sealer will help minimise maintenance, reduce the colour loss from ultraviolet light, and basically protect the blocks from further wear. But if you're looking to get the maximum benefit from the work that's been carried out, then a little bit of routine maintenance now and again makes sense.